How to change your Spotify password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I will show you the way as to how you can actually change your Spotify account's password. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, first of all, what you have to understand is that you will not be able to change your password from the Spotify application. Whether or not you do remember your current password does not matter, because Spotify app does not let you change the password from within the application. So instead, in order to change our password, what we have to do is we just have to go ahead and then open up our browser. And once we launch our browser, we just need to go into spotify.com. So once you go to spotify.com, you can see I'm logged in. Now I'll just show you how you can actually change it if you do remember your current password, as well as how you can change it if you do not remember your current password. For that, just tap on the gear icon on the top right hand side of the screen, go to the option called View Account. And as you go to the View Accounts tab, you'll see somewhat this kind of interface. At the very top, you can see the drop down menu. So tap on the drop down menu and select the option called Change Password. Once you select the option called Change Password, right over here you can actually choose your current password and enter your new password and re-enter the new password in order to confirm it, and just tap on the Set New Password button. But the only downside is that you need to have to remember the current password in order to change it. But assuming that you no longer remember it, so let me just try to log out and show you as well. I'll just log out of my account, and let's say you don't remember your Spotify account's password. Well, in that case, I'll just go ahead and select login. Once I select the option called login, you can see all these options. On the login page, you'll find this option that says forgot your password, so just tap on it. And what you have to do is you have to simply enter the email address or the username of the account that you're trying to reset the password of. You need to make sure that you have access to that email address, because if you don't, then you will not be able to reset it. And after that, what you can do is just go ahead and enter your email, tap on the send button, and you'll receive an email in your mailbox claiming that you can change your password if you have access to that email. So just go ahead and tap on it in order to set the new password without having to remember your old password. And this is how you can change your Spotify account's password. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.